learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. My name is Nicole Axel Gomez, your internal Vice President.
Test of leadership is the ability to recognize a problem before it becomes an emergency. I'm Edward Crisostomo, your external Vice President.
Great leaders appreciate their members, not just their contributions. I'm Kim Bernadette Otizon, Secretary.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I'm Seth Andapanes, your questioner.
Leadership is not about making speeches or being liked. Leadership is to find the results, not attributes. Legion Taraya, your auditor.
Leadership is unlocking people's potential to become better. I'm Dennis Miranda, your Public Relations Officer.
Leaders who give the best of themselves get the best from others. I'm Eliza Azurin, your Commissioner on Academics.
To have a long-term success as a coach or in any position of leadership, you have to be obsessed in some ways. I'm Micaela Margaret Palada, your Commissioner on Academics.
A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. I'm Catherine Frias, your Commissioner on Arts.
Become the kind of leader that people will follow voluntarily, even if you had no title or position. I'm Romeo Larin, your Commissioner on Arts.
Growth and development of people is the highest calling of leadership. I'm Menchie Clarete, your Commissioner on Culture and Religion.
A leader is someone who demonstrates what's possible. I'm Fenma Somera, your Commissioner on Sports.
Who underestimate the intelligence of their members, generally overestimate their own. I'm Hubert Tim, your Commissioner on Sports.
Management is about arranging and planning. Leadership is about nurturing and enhancing. I'm Matthew Adriano, your first year representative.
Leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled. And they will say, we did it ourselves. I am Nico Valle, your first year representative.